Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with the 1978 Yamaha RD250 that is being drawn on the 30th of October. Tickets are $2.99 and you can get them on the website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. What I'm going to do now is just start her up for you and give you a little walk around. So it's got, I think it's got Higspeed silencers on there. They're not branded, but they look like them. So it makes quite a nice crackling sound. Let's give it a go. So ignition on. Fuel on the other side. I have warmed it up, so I won't be touching the exhausts, so no need for choke as well. Starts really easily because it has been fully restored, fully rebuilt. Engine has been all stripped down from the bottom end to the top end with all new bits. Apparently it's had about £9,000 spent on the restoration, which is a lot of money by any bike standards. You can see it's really nice in the yellow kind of Kenny Roberts style colour scheme, really contrasted with the black engine and the black mag wheels. Really attractive bike, stands out nicely in the countryside. Really cool little thing. Very light, very easy to start, as you saw, and they're quite a quick bike as well, so a really nice package. I'll just let it run out of fuel, but thanks for watching the video. Good luck if you do enter, and like I said, tickets are $2.99 and this one is being drawn at 8 PM on the 30th of October. Yeah, thanks very much and good luck.